Hey guys, James Chapman, Selling on Social, sellingonsocial.com, and I prepared a free module here for you from my Google Presentations for Profit course, how to use Google Slides to sell on social. Now, many of you know the story behind this. Jerry Rocco, my good friend and business partner and colleague, essentially challenged me to create a product within 3 hours to sell on a hangout that we were producing on a Tuesday hangout. So I thought he was kidding at first, but I went ahead and created it was just one video, basically walking people through the process of creating a Google Slides presentation, and we sold a bunch of them. So since then, I've been adding to the product, and everybody who purchased it initially gets the updates every time we add it. It's up to 10 modules now, so I'm giving away a free module right now just to give you a taste of what's in the product. As you can see here, we've got a menu down here. And in this menu, we have lots of different topics here. This is the main one, how to create an e-product using Google Slides. We've got embedding YouTube videos in your presentation, creating custom Facebook tab images with Google Slides, how to create a customer testimonial page, upload your custom PowerPoint theme, and add a navigation menu like this one right here. And let's see, we've got how to add and share comment buttons to your slide presentation. Let's go ahead and go there. So here's the comment button section, but basically how to create these share and comment buttons that you see down here. And we also have how to publish and embed your slide presentation. And the final module is how to buy a discounted domain and forward it to your presentation. So I show you how to never pay more than $2 or $3 for a .com domain again. And that's in slide 10, and then I show you how to use that for forwarding to either your presentation or your 22 Social Facebook marketing app. So there you have it. Enjoy the free module here, and if you like what you see, you can buy the whole course for just $12. You see the button there, and just pick that up, and then let me know what you think in the comments below. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed your presentation on a website or in your 22 Social marketing app on Facebook. Once you have completed your presentation, you're ready to display it to the public. So basically what you do is you go into your presentation, and let me turn that off because I'm already in there. Once you've finished your slide or your series of slides, you go over to File and Publish to the Web. Okay. And once you publish it, it'll ask you if you really want to publish it. Mine was already published, so that's why it didn't ask me this time, because it was already published. But you're going to get two links. You're going to get a document link, which is a long link, and you're also going to get an iframe code, so you can embed that iframe on a website. So if you have a WordPress site or Joomla, and you just want to drop it into a page there, you just copy that code and drop it in. You can choose the size of the presentation and then how often it advances when people hit the play button if you want it to advance automatically from slide to slide. I'll show you. The default is 3 seconds. So for instance, on this one we have several pages to this particular presentation, and if you were to just hit the play button, it's going to advance the slide one at a time every 3 seconds. But for the most part, people are going to be navigating the presentation using the navigation arrows or the menu itself. So it's not really a priority thing to be thinking about, but it really depends on what you're using the slide presentation for. Okay, so I typically use the start slideshow when the player loads. I leave these off and just come here to grab the links. And typically this link for the 22 Social page. So I'm going to copy that link, head over to 22 Social, the marketing app, and I'm going to go into content. And then under the main body content, I'm going to click media. And in the media, I already have this selected, but you can see you can choose slides, Google presentation, and then you just grab this and paste it in there, which I've already done. So it's already pasted. You hit preview and it will load it, and you just want to make sure it loads properly and you can see everything there. And then just don't forget to hit save. Now save didn't come up on mine because it's just a repeat of what I already had in there. But that's how you embed the Google Slides presentation onto your 22 Social marketing app on Facebook, so you can actually pop these slides over, create a sales page, or even just put a free product on your page that people can access. The other thing I want to show you as well is you can take that long link that you can take that long link from the publish link that we grabbed, this one right here, and then you can head over to a link shortener like Google, like go.gl, and you just pop that link in there and hit paste. And you can use bit.ly or ztime or whatever you prefer, but that just grabs it, and here is your link. And then you would copy that link and go over into your Facebook page. So if you want to post the link somewhere, I recommend you shorten it. So I could type in, updated SOS slides, and then take that short link, pop it in there, and it's going to give you the little preview without a picture, but you get the idea. I'm actually not going to post that, but that's how you would use the short link with the Google Link Shortener. Let me show you why I like Google Link Shortener. Here's one. If you click on the details of this particular one, you can see all these stats, like where the traffic is coming from. In this case, mobile Facebook versus 22 social, and there's a third one here, but it's not enough. It's mobile Facebook as well. It shows you what browsers it's coming through, what platforms, what countries, and it's kind of cool to check out those stats. As we know, Google loves stats. So I use Google Link Shortener. You can also use bit.ly. They have some stats on bit.ly as well as ztime, and there's some others out there as well. And then if you were to embed this on your WordPress page, once again, you would just grab the embed code, the iframe code here, and you just copy that and paste it right into your WordPress page. And I can show you how that looks too. And we'll just put on here Google Slides. So if I wanted to just host the content on this page, I'd go over here to source and then just paste it in there, and then click off of source, and there it is. And then I'm going to save as draft, and then preview. This WordPress site is one that I don't use any longer, but you can see it's too big, so you basically go in and adjust the code to make it smaller, but it's too big for this particular page. So maybe what I might do is go back in here, and you can see the width, the height and width values right here, or you can just go in to the page and change it from 960 and do a small, and then just grab that iframe, go back over, paste that in there, and that's more like it. So in that case, I might want to center that, and then save draft and preview. And there we go. And you've got your... Hey guys, James Chapman with Selling on Social, sellingonsocial.com. And then the Buy Now button will take you straight over to the Buy Now page. So that takes a minute to load. It goes through the SRM, the 22 Social SRM link, and then pulls up the PayPal page. So that's kind of a cool way to host your your page. If you have a WordPress site, you use WordPress, that's one way you can do it as well. All right, Well, I hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Have fun. Hey there, I'm back, and that was actually Module 9 of the 10-module course on Google Slides, how to create Google Slide presentations to create e-products and different types of presentations, sales pages, and so on. And as you can see, that was pretty detailed, kind of got into the details of how to publish and embed your presentation on various media. So if you found value in that, what I'd love for you to do is just head up there to the top of the page up here where it says share. See that share button? Click on there. I would love it if you did that. And then just leave me a comment down here below and let me know what you thought of the free module. And if you really like that and you want the rest of it, it's only 12 bucks, guys. So just click that buy button right now and let me know what you think of the content that is within these 10 modules. Really appreciate it. And there's more to come. So we've got some other courses we're working on right now that I think you're going to find just as much fun. So hope you're having a great one and look forward to seeing you inside the course. Talk soon.